Hey everyone, welcome. Today we will talk about prime and composite numbers. Whether you are preparing for a math test or just love learning, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about prime numbers. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. In simpler terms, a prime number can only be divided by 1 and itself without leaving a remainder. 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on are prime numbers. For example, let's take the number 5. The only divisors of 5 are 1 and 5. When we divide 5 by 2, we get 1 remainder. When we divide 5 by 3, we get 2 as a remainder. And when we divide 5 by 4, we get 1 as a remainder. So the only numbers that divides 5, leaving no remainder, are 1 and 5. And other example is 7, which can only be divided by 1 and 7. Next, let's look at composite numbers. A composite number is a natural number greater than 1 that has more than 2 positive divisors. In other words, it can be divided by numbers other than 1 and itself. 4, 6, 8, 9, and so on are composite numbers. For example, the number 4 can be divided by 1, 2, and 4, which means it's a composite number. Another example is 9, which can be divided by 1, 3, and 9. Composite numbers can be broken down into factors of prime numbers. For instance, 6 can be expressed as 2 into 3, and 8 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This process is called prime factorization. Let's do a quick recap. Prime numbers are natural numbers greater than 1 with no divisors other than 1 and itself, while composite numbers have more than 2 divisors. Prime factorization allows us to break down composite numbers into product of prime numbers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.